What's going on, guys? ShoeTuber back with another video, and today we'll be opening up a beater box. I haven't done a beater box since the first video I released, so I'm really excited to do another one. This box is again from Direct Kicks, and they're currently not selling beater boxes or mystery boxes on their website, but they are raffling them off on their Twitch channels on Fridays and Sundays. Lou, I think he's the owner of Direct Kicks. He'll have multiple boxes and he'll raffle them off, and you have a pretty good chance of winning them. They're all different. A lot of them that he'll actually show you what's in the box, and based off that he'll give you a pretty good value on them where you can make money. But a lot of these boxes are more catered to beaters, so you really have to kind of know what you're doing if you actually kind of want to make money off of these. So I got my box over here. I got this box for $135. I actually kind of forgot what was in here. I do know the money shoe, so it's kind of be more of a mystery box for you guys, but it's a beater box for me. So yeah, let's open this up. I didn't cut the box right there. All right. Okay. So there's only, it looks like 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 sneakers in here, 2 with a box and 2 without a box. I see the money shoe in here, so I'll probably just leave that at the very end. But just to take the first one out, so this is a Nike React, but it's kind of this almost maybe a cobalt color. It's not too dirty. I mean, it's definitely been worn. This is size 12. Definitely needs some cleaning. You can kind of see like some stains right here going around it. But I mean, overall, other than that, I mean, this is clean right here. I mean, the sole, I mean, there's a little bit of scuffing right here. No heel drag, which is a good thing. So this sneaker has, some pretty good condition for sure. I don't really know how much Reacts go for. I mean, I know like when they first released, they had like a lot of value just because they were kind of new on the market, but they got really oversaturated, a lot of drops, and the value in them hasn't really been, great. So I think if I was to clean these up and have them in pretty good condition, I'd probably get like $60, $70 for them. So I paid $135 for the box, so that's not bad. And these are size 12 again, Nike Reacts. I was actually hoping that they come in my size because I actually been wanting a pair of Reacts, but I guess not. All right, so this one is a Nike box. This is a size 10 and a half, and this is a Huarache. Okay, interesting. So these have no laces on them, but this is an interesting pair of shoes. I didn't think wait, are these Huaraches? I'm not sure if these are Huaraches. Maybe this is just a replacement box. I only know the Huaraches in like one type of style, and it usually has that kind of like mid like plastic guard that goes up and like the laces go around, but I guess the Huarache comes in a variation of things. It's pretty clean. I mean, the knitted part is, it looks really well intact. Doesn't look like there are any snags or anything like that. The midsole looks really clean. The toe box shield right in front of it looks really like well kept. A little bit of creasing along the sole. Obviously somebody wore it, so again, this is a beater, so I'm not expecting these shoes to be 100% condition. No heel dragging. Again, that's another good sign. So yeah, I honest to God don't know what to put a value on this thing. I really I know Huaraches never really fetched much value to begin with. I haven't seen a very popular Huarache that's come out, but yeah, this is an Air Huarache, size 10 and a half. So, okay. So this is a size 12 Air Force One. You see right there. Oh, this is pretty cool. All right. I don't know what these are called specific. Obviously, they're Air Force Ones. These are a size 12. Pretty clean. A little bit of heel drag right there. A little bit of star loss right there. Not too bad. The bottoms are pretty dirty, but I mean overall, this sneaker is pretty clean. The creasing on here is not that bad either, as you can see. it's pretty cool shoe. I like the colorway. Definitely kind of like a very New York Yankee kind of vibe colorway you have going on here. The logo inside is pretty much worn out, is gone. But yeah, but like honestly, I should definitely get a pair of Air Force Ones in my rotations. These aren't my size, unfortunately. I'm a size 10, but this is a pretty good pair. Good condition as is. The right shoe, it's a little bit more crease on the right shoe, but I mean overall, this is a solid pair. Good colorway, nothing bad. So I think these would sell pretty easily. So yeah, so that's the Nike Air Force One size 12. And then lastly is definitely the money shoe. We got a pair of Jordan 11 lows in a Carolina color. These have the 23 on there. That's pretty cool. These are definitely a retro model. The Jordan symbol on these are actually pretty worn out. They're pretty much gone in there. So they've definitely been worn. But overall, this is a pretty clean sneaker. I mean, you got, of course, the patent leather is inevitable for creasing, so you're gonna definitely get that. Definitely oxidation from the sole. That's expected, especially in older models of Jordans. Oh, there's a little weird threading going on here, but I think you can just cut this off. But I mean, overall, this is a pretty nice pair. This is definitely the money shoe. And I think if I clean these up really well, I can definitely make like the money right back from the box, or at least very, very close. And you definitely got to put a little bit more work to them. I got this box from a Friday drop, and so these boxes usually kind of need a little bit more TLC, a little bit more finesse when you sell them for sure. But yeah, so that's everything in this box. Thanks again for watching. That was just a beater box, super simple. Definitely want to get more of these. Now that I know that I can get these boxes from Direct Kicks off their Twitch channel, and the chances of winning these are actually pretty like high. So definitely, like, if you guys are interested in trying to get your own beater box, definitely tune into the Twitch channels from Direct Kicks. Follow them directly, and then just have that bell on their channel. This is not like a promotion or anything. I'm just saying, if you guys also like to get beater boxes yourselves, that's a great outlet to do it. I know a lot of other sneaker companies are doing that themselves too, but I like Direct Kicks and I like what they do, so I enjoy getting their boxes. But for sure, yeah, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm just another shoe tuber.